driving 169 highway. Just got done looking at a waterproofing project up north. It's a fourplex condominium. Phone's been ringing a lot, and doing great things. We started a 4-pier, 4-step wall straightening process Monday, and we're just about done with it today. So, with the addition of bringing on Cody Hemme with Hemme Excavating to do all my dirt jobs. I get calls for dirt almost every day, and I teamed up with Cody. Cody was a great wrestler back at Fort Osage. Got really nice parents, great parents. And Cody's dad's retired, and he delivered some gravel for me today. So everything's working out great. Things are moving right along with King Piers. The Weatherby Lake project, I met with Chris House the other day, and he's taking that project over. On that project there, it was I had to fire the superintendent, had to fire the wall builder, and by doing that, I had to go out and find another contractor to build my walls. We were going to build it in-house, and ended up having to clean house of people that just dishonest, didn't speak the truth, lied to me. I had enough of it, and so I had to cut those guys loose. So anyway, I went out, found a really good qualified subcontractor, and it cost me a buttload of money more than what I had bid to do it, which is the way life works. I expected it. And I bought all the materials and paid for all the labor. The labor contract to have the walls built was $24,000. So very extensive, and I think we had figured it in-house cost around $16,000, so quite a big jump. Anyway, other than that, everything's great. Loading up with King Piers projects. Stay tuned. Footing Lifters, my wife's company, Teresa. She, by being married to me, I consider her as much an expert as anybody on foundation repair. She knows how it's done right. She knows the difference between cookie cutter, and she knows the difference between King Piers methodology. Started her company called Footing Lifters, and I'm going to get her certified as a minority contractor in Kansas City, and probably MoDOT and KDOT. And yeah, so everything's good. So finally got the rain out of the forecast. Today I've got another bid at 4:30 and another one at 6. They're not too far apart. One's in Liberty and one's in North Kansas City. So anyway, just wanted to touch base, let everybody know I'm still alive. I haven't cut a lot of videos lately. I've just been so busy running from job to job and bidding jobs, and then running back to my office and typing up the bids. So anyway, y'all take care. King Piers out.